Texas Forecast First is brought to you by Roberts & Roberts, attorneys at law.
Hello everyone and good evening to you. We're looking at a lot of cloud cover in the area, but in terms of precipitation, it's rather isolated at this time. A few heavier showers in between Longview and Marshall coming through the Hallsville area. Outside of that, just some light rain here or there. Stronger storms increasing now to the Metroplex and then farther back down toward Interstate 35. Our severe weather alert continues as strong storms are anticipated to increase this evening and overnight tonight. By tomorrow morning, the flood threat is going to become a big problem in deep East Texas, and by 8 a.m. those storms in our southern counties should begin to let up as we approach midday. The news starts right now.
Local, experienced, trusted. This is KETK News at 6.
Hi everyone, good evening. I'm Sarah Allegre. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. All right, we begin with our East Texas storm team. Marcus, right now, 4 East Texas counties are under a tornado watch. Where do we stand right now?
Yes, Sarah, that's correct. Only those counties at this current moment. There has not been any talk just yet of extending this farther back to the east at this moment. However, we are seeing some stronger thunderstorms back out to the west. So right now, Rains, Van Zandt, Henderson, Anderson County, those are the ones that are under this tornado watch, and that will run until 10 o'clock this evening. So all 4 of these counties until 10 o'clock for us. What we are going to have to continue to watch for are going to be these storms that are increasing out to the west. Let me show you the radar. We'll put this into motion for you here over the last hour. And what we'll point out, first of all, in our area, we've seen a couple of heavier showers come through, and we'll switch over to the Shreveport radar site to give you a better look at that at this current moment. There you can notice the showers moving from the southwest to the north and to the northeast. There is some lightning being detected in there as well, but it doesn't appear that we have a lot of lightning and certainly nothing that would be severe at this current moment across our southern and southeast counties. There's some heavier rain, though, that is going to pass through. And if you're in deep East Texas in these areas, it is just the beginning of what is anticipated to be a more significant flash flood threat that could develop a little bit later on tonight and for tomorrow morning. Closer look at a couple of the showers that have just come through the Hallsville area. You can notice the hook there on the back side of that. We're not finding any rotation in that at this moment. There's not even any lightning either at this current time. So all of that moving off to the north and to the northeast. Elsewhere in East Texas, currently just fine for the moment. But I want to take you outside of the coverage area where we're seeing some additional areas of rain and thunderstorms. That's going to be back inside of central Texas right now. And we'll switch over to the Fort Worth side. That way we can get a better view on what we're seeing here at this current moment. There you can notice some additional pockets of moderate to heavier rain for now. None of this appears severe at this time either, but these are just the developing stages of some of the precipitation. And if I show you farther back to the west, look at the swath of rain, even ongoing tornado warnings back in portions of Tarrant County, tornado warning coming through the Austin area as well. Near Round Rock also. This line is going to be getting to push off to the east. The question is, are we going to see anything develop here before that line moves in? That would increase the risk for the potential of supercell tornadic thunderstorms. Certainly still have those in play currently back all the way down into central Texas. So this will be the line to watch, but anything out ahead of it certainly could pose some additional problems also. Sarah, we've got the latest update with Futurecast. Meteorologist Andrew Salmon is with me. He'll join me with more analysis here in just a couple of minutes.
Marcus, thank you very much.